Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Hello friends, and welcome to another review video on this channel. And today the product which we are reviewing is called MailSquad. Now this product has been there for the last few days, and on this channel we don't actually promote just anything. So we are going to review this MailSquad now because we have tested in the sense that we have got the research done and we have checked the sales figure, how much is it making, how many people are buying, how many people are satisfied, what is the refund percentage and everything. And only after that, when the product is doing okay, we have decided to make the review for this product. Because as if you have seen our videos before, we have done reviews on make money online websites, and mostly those websites are scam. So we have actually decided to review the products, like any software which can help you in terms of your IT services. And this one, MailSquad, is actually going to help you to send out emails to your email list. And let's start the review. And before that, if you're new to the channel, do subscribe and watch the video till the end, because we will talk about a bonus. It's a unique bonus which you will get in the end. It's not like other people giving you crap, like you get $10,000 bonus, you get $20,000 bonus, $5,000 bonus. I don't even know if they know the definition of bonus, what it means, right? Because as far I know, bonus means that some money will be credited into your bank account. That's the definition of a bonus. But these affiliates keep selling you or keep pushing sales on you by giving you random crap things. There's no such thing as $7,000 bonus, $10,000 bonus, or whatever. Okay, so do not fall for that crap. They're only trying to force sales on you. If you don't fall for their crap thing, you will spend, or you will save your money actually. So we'll talk about that in between the video. Let's start the review for this MailSquad first. So as you can see, the heading at the top, it says send as many emails to as many subscribers as you want with just one click and no monthly fee. So it's a product which is claiming that you can actually have as bigger a list, you have thousands or hundreds of thousands of subscribers in that list. And I think it's unverified, which means that you don't have to go through verification. You can do cold emails as well. So you can scrap emails from Google, and then you can just send out cold marketing emails to people out there using this software, which will not be allowed if you use any Aweber or GetResponse or MailChimp or those big brothers. So if you use those big brands, you will never be able to do cold emailing. Your accounts will get suspended because your subscriber list has to be verified. But this software is actually saying that they don't care, you pay them some money, a one-time fees, and they will let you do whatever you have to do online using the email marketing. Okay, and then there's a sales video here. You can there's this old sales page, and then here it says the bullet points: get started immediately to make your first affiliate sale, pay once only, 100% hosted and reliable cloud server. So they're saying that this is going to last long. It's not like only 1 or 2 month thing. So they are taking responsibility that this will last for some time. It's reliable, that's what they're saying. So it says limitless possibilities, unlimited emails, unlimited subscriber, unlimited list. Now this is something you have to look into because they might have some upgrades regarding this. Probably it should be free, and then no skill, no age bar and all that. So what I'll do is, if the website will look all the same, they will tell you the benefits and everything. So we will try to get into the dashboard so that you can see how it works inside the dashboard. So there it is. And here you can see that you're going to click on my lists first of all, and then create a new list. There are 2 contacts already, and you just type in your list name here. It could be a demo list, and yep, so you just see the dashboard here, how it works. There's nothing technical. It's a simple. If you have used autoresponders before, if you have used GetResponse or something else, so you know how it works. So it will be simple for you. And inside you will find tutorials as well. So you just click on email, send, reading, sending and all that. So it won't be hard for you to figure out how to use the dashboard. It's quite actually working. So we have been checking out this software since last 3 days, and finally we have decided that okay, this software is doing all right, and this is not related to make money online scams. So this software is not saying that okay, you buy this software and you will get rich, but this software is only telling that okay, we are giving you the technical part that you can be you can be just avoiding some costs. So if you're paying to, or if you're paying to let's say Get Response or some other software for monthly fees, so this software actually avoids all that hassle. You buy it one time and then you don't need to worry about using any other autoresponder, especially if you're doing any cold marketing, if you're doing any cold emails. So that's when this is going to be very useful. And then you can go through the dashboard, you can play around. Once you are into the dashboard, you will learn then how to make forms. And so this is how the dashboard looks like. We'll stop the video for now and we'll go back to the website again. And let's check the pricing here. I think this is coming for $27, a one-time fees, and it says you got free SMTP. SMTP is responsible for sending out emails, because if you do not have SMTP server, you will not be able to send out emails. And also that SMTP server needs to be self-hosted, so that you don't have to buy SMTP from outside and then install it from into the dashboard. So they have self-hosted SMTP server. That means all you need to do is just create a list and start sending emails. And you can grab this copy for $27. That's the basic price. They might have some upgrades in the in the funnel once you buy it, but overall this software looks okay to me, which is ready to go. You can go for it, you can buy. And in the end, now we are going to talk about the bonus. Now bonus is actually this is a new software which is called Photo Vibrance, and you can check out this review here. I will leave the link in the description below. Now what this software does is it actually creates moving images. So for example, if you take a look at this image here, you see, so this is a still picture, but this software Photo Vibrance has made this image go moving. Similarly, this one as well, this is a still image, but right now it has got images, and this has got effects, so this is moving. Similarly, this one as well. So you see here the eye is going round and round. So this is the effect. This is the effects you have using the software. And this is one more, and this is one more, and finally I think one more. So these are the pictures which you can actually generate using the software called Photo Vibrance. Now either you can buy the Photo Vibrance directly, and you read everything first and you can buy it if you want to. Otherwise, the bonus is that we will be sending you one of these pictures in your bonus page, so you can actually download one of these pictures, and that's how you can use them on your desktop or whatever do with it. It just looks okay. It's pleasing to eye. So especially if you see this image, this looks cool. So you will get one of these images delivered with the bonus, and that's what you need to do. So there are two things. First of all, if you're looking for the autoresponder, if you're looking for email marketing, then you can definitely go for a MailSquad. You can buy the MailSquad. You can click on the link in the description and grab your copy. And also, if you are an Instagrammer, if you are into photo editing and everything, if you want to create live cool images, high resolution images which you want to use in your portfolio, into your YouTube thumbnails or things like that, then take a look to this Photo Vibrance software. The link is in the description, and if you want, you can grab this Photo Vibrance software too. So all in all, you have this review covered now, and thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you shortly with next review video. Thank you.